Good morning! Just arrived here at Kota, Kinabalu International Airport. Kinabalu. Love you, Mom!
Welcome to Kota, Kinabalu.
Our first stop is to buy SIM card. So, equivalent to around 250 pesos. So, ayan. Good for 7 days. 3.8 GB na.
But you can also turn on your roaming. Because I got my roaming, so you don't have to buy one.
Hindi masyado matao.
Have you been to Philippines?
No,
You should
go
visit! Grandis Hotel. The Starbucks, katabi lang. It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning. And we're checking in. No durian, no jackfruit, no mangosteen. I love everything here. Oh, for the Wi-Fi. Alright. Same. Check. Wow. Hi, so we just checked in here at Grandis Hotel. It's a 15-minute drive from the airport. It's nice that they accommodate us. Kahit 3 a.m. I'm going to give you a quick room tour.
Tomorrow.
Dito kami sa rooftop of Hotel Grandis. And super ganda ng view. It's much better in person than sa photos. Super nice.
We're on our way to the Filipino market. It's just 1 kilometer away from our hotel, the Grandis Hotel. Family from Manila.
We just arrived here at Tamaha Cafe. We're about to eat our lunch here. I love the place. It's so cute. Look. My slide. We want to try this
Okay,
one.
alright.
We're gonna try this. How do you pronounce it?
Tuju nasi lemak.
Tuju nasi lemak.
Yep.
So we're gonna try this one.
Okay.
It's a Malaysian dish. It's coconut rice.
Yes, this one is a coconut.
Coconut rice.
coconut rice.
What's sambal?
Yeah, with the sambal. It's a little bit spicy.
Alright.
It's a samtus peas.
Havana
Sir, Charles, what is for the... I'm going to take you for a quick food tour. So let's take off our food and sleepers. Here's our bed. Here's our mini cabinet. There, you can put a lot of stuff here. Then put the clothes here. And you can sleep here if you want to relax. And some hot comb, shampoo, dental cream. Then here's the bed, kind of big. Here's the aircon. I'm sure it's gonna be cold at night, so maybe I won't use it. Okay, so that's it.
The front beach of Cabana Resort. Ang ganda, guys. That's my mom. And my sister. Cute!
Pagbuhatin kita.
Bawag!
We're gonna watch movie. We chose Aladdin, so we're gonna watch Aladdin. Aladdin.
Good morning. It's our day 2 here at Cabana Retreat. Ang daming tao.
I think the driver is already here.
He's our tour guide.
Tour guide and our driver.
Hello!
My name is Zul.
So let's go. We'll
go.
take you there in the island.
Hi!
Hi.
Miniature Buddha, covered in hair. I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
Hi.
We're here at Bantani Island!
Thanks, KKD.
Hi! Say hi!